Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers? What happened to being your brother's keeper? Nowadays, kids more worried about the
Hey guys, we're back with
Let's get some
Brice
guns.
and Ethan. This is Bird Assassin Part 4.
Bird Assassin Part 4.
Oh no, whoops.
Can't buy the minigun yet. We need another 10k.
Let's do this.
Because we went shopping for a bunch of guns that really helped us out.
They did.
We did actually. Okay, Ostrich. I wonder if there's going to be any birds.
I don't have another box.
Who's that? Gotta jump up.
Ho ho ho! That was a big one.
Oh, there we go. I can do this. Whoa, whoa, what are you doing, Primo? I'm gonna get this one.
Shoot the cans as many times as possible. It's too easy.
King Bird killed me.
Bart Simpson ran. I'm like, my party is over.
My party is over.
Looks like your dinner
I
tonight.
only have like 3 more.
Ow! I'm looking at
Really? Pick her nose. Break it. Break it. I know you want to. No. It doesn't work. That does not work. We're recording.
Oh my god! I went too fast! I went too fast!
No.
I went too fast! Uh-oh.
No! You have like. Oh no!
My
Something!
The most important. I'm gonna win this.
You get hit again. No.
Oh no! 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 Die, die, die.
Oh no, this is not good.
I just have to stay.
Oh! Okay, we'll see you guys next video. Make sure you don't forget to
Brush your teeth.
Hey guys, it's Brice
And Ethan.
from Think Out Loud Studios, and today we are playing Bird Assassin, and we're playing this on hard. I hope this music doesn't want to make you kill yourself, but I've been listening to it for about 5 minutes, and I already want to die, so...